Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can add a video overlay on your video project in Canva. So basically, a video overlay is just a video positioned on top of another video, but it's actually not always video. You could also put a video on top of a picture or on top of a shape or whatever design that you want to overlap with a video. And here's how you can do that. First of course, you have to insert a video into your canvas. I'm going to search for a, let's say, person dancing in the winter, because I'm recording this video in December, so I thought using winter as a theme would be a great choice. So we have plenty of videos here. Let's try this person that seems to be a Santa standing and dancing on the snow, and let's make it bigger. Now I'm going to add some overlay on top of this video. So let's try snow overlay, and hopefully we'll get something interesting. I'm trying to get something that is appropriate for this picture. Let's try this one, and I'm going to put it exactly on top of this sort of top of this video. And by the way, I want to reduce the transparency so we can see the snow, maybe around 10. And yeah, that's pretty good. I think I want to play both videos at the same time, so I'm going to open thumbnail view, open duration, and I'm going to play the video back. So this is the result, and as you can see, you can see the person dancing, and you can also still see the snow falling into the scene. I think it looks pretty and it looks really awesome. So that's essentially the idea on overlaying a video on top of another element in Canva. If you want to get a finer control, I highly recommend opening the position menu and then go to layers, and then here you can basically control where you want to position the video relative to another element in your design. So this is very important to make sure that the overlap video is positioned exactly on the right position. So I guess that's basically it. That's how you can do it. And if you want this video to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.